We're gonna do a really cool trick. Oh, we don't need to. So in just a second, I'll need you to go through the cards, and you're gonna pick one of the cards that you like. For example, your cards, you're gonna put it next to your hearts, and they're gonna give you the rest of the instructions. Okay? So don't let me see it. So I'll need you to go through the cards, and you're gonna pick one of the cards.
Just show the camera.
Yeah, you show the camera, please. You're gonna put it next to your heart, and you're gonna give them the rest of the cards. Perfect. So in the middle, so maybe you could see the cards. So I need you maybe to cut the cards. So yeah, just take the cards and give it a cut. And I'll put the cards whenever you want. Just put them there in the middle. So now the card is lost somewhere in the deck. But somehow I'm gonna look for your connection you had with the card because you put it next to your heart.
Right.
Ooh. So what was your card?
The 3 of spades.